Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying basics so you don't chase ghosts. Set system volume to 100% and disable mute. Once done, play a track in Apple Music so you can hear changes live. Make sure headphones or Bluetooth speakers are securely connected and charged, because poor pairing or low battery often limits output. Also, quickly toggle AirPlay to your device to ensure audio is routed correctly. These first actions narrow the root cause and let you test louder settings immediately. Now you change the software factors that reduce loudness. Open Settings, go to Music, then turn off Volume Limit and Sound Check because they cap peak output. Next, adjust EQ. Either disable it for full dynamic range or choose a punchy preset such as Bass Booster to perceptually increase volume. Once done, go to Accessibility Audio Settings to confirm left/right balance isn't skewed and mono audio is off unless needed. These steps remove intentional attenuation and restore full signal to your speakers. Finish by rebooting your device and installing any iOS or Apple Music updates because software bugs can lower output. Once updated, repair Bluetooth gear or reset network settings to clear corrupted profiles. If volume remains low, compare audio in another app to determine whether Apple Music or hardware is the culprit. If other apps are quiet too, clean ports, inspect speakers, or contact Apple support. A single troubleshooting tip. If Bluetooth shows low volume only with one device,
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.